Today at Tree Stuff, we're featuring Cannon bars. The Cannon bar is a solid body, replaceable sprocket nose, ground rails to precision, and a bar mount for many different chainsaws, including Steel, Husqvarna, John Sered, and Solo. Cannon has also introduced a pole pruner bar. A pole pruner bar is made to fit on the gear head, and when it's up in the air, instead of pointing up straight, it points at an angle, so it comes down on top of the log as you cut. That helps eliminate pinching when you're in the middle of the cut. Pole pruner bars are available here at Tree Stuff for the Steel extendable pole pruners and the Husqvarna extendable pole pruner. Cannon super bars range from 14-inch on up to 84 inches. We have them available here at Tree Stuff from 14 to 60 inch. Available here at Tree Stuff is the Cannon Super Mini. This is still a very durable, solid bar, replaceable sprocket nose. It is narrow kerf. The Cannon Super Mini narrow kerf bar is narrower than the standard bar, which gives you lightweight. It also accommodates either a 3 1/4 pitch chain or a 3/8 chain with different replaceable sprocket nose tips. And it's for those areas where you need to have fast cutting and lightweight.